I'm Nathan Andrew, owner of Salon Audace in Norman, Oklahoma, and I can definitely say that the Freestyle systems are one of the best investments we made when we built our salon. As a salon owner, what I really love is we don't have clutter and we don't have the cords hanging off all of our stations. So aesthetically, it's just much cleaner looking, and we don't have to work around all those excess cords. As a stylist, what I really love about working with the Freestyle systems behind the chair is the fact that I don't have the shoulder fatigue and the pain that I used to have. There for a while, I was getting to a point where I was really struggling with that pain and fatigue every day, that I was thinking I wasn't going to be able to continue to do my own blow dries. So once we got the Freestyle systems in, that went away actually pretty quickly. Now I blow dry every day, all day behind the chair, and I don't have that pain and the fatigue that I was experiencing in my shoulder before, so it definitely makes my job much easier. Overall, the systems are much more ergonomically friendly to stylists, and it's going to be able to make your career that lasts that much longer, because you're not going to have the weight of that blow dryer on your shoulders the way that you normally would. So both as an owner and a stylist, I can definitely say that the Freestyle systems are absolutely amazing.
Hi, my name is Rachel Lambert. I work at Salon Audace in Norman, Oklahoma. The reason I like the Freestyle system blow dryers are because I don't get the dreaded stylist shoulder. Gravity isn't pulling against me as I'm drying my clients throughout the day. You just pull it down out of the ceiling and push it back up. It's great.
Hi, my name is Rodney Stillwell, and I work here at a Salon Audace in Norman, Oklahoma. Here recently I've been doing a lot of blowouts on extensions, and I love the Freestyle system specifically because it gives me the reach that I need without putting any strain on my shoulder or having to worry about the pesky cords.
I'm Sheena from Salon Audace in Norman, Oklahoma, and I'm a fan of the Freestylist systems because it reduces the shoulder strain and there are no cords or any tangles to deal with throughout the day. Makes it a dream for a busy stylist in the salon.
My name is Shane Adam Webb with Salon Audace in Norman, Oklahoma. Wanted to talk a little bit about the Freestyle system. The reason why I am such a fan of it is because being left-handed, I always had to deal with cords and outlets on opposite sides that I had to not be. So what's nice is I can just pull it down, style my client, and then lift it back up, and away I go.